Hello, my name is Ryoko, Clarity Breathwork Group Facilitator based in Nashville, Tennessee. And I wanted to welcome you to our breathwork sessions. And I wanted to make this little video for you to explain, demonstrate that Clarity Breathwork technique, which we use in our breathwork sessions. So Clarity Breathwork is a safe, gentle, connected circular breathing technique. And I love this gentle approach. You breathing in and out through your mouth without any pauses between inhale and exhale, and between exhale and then inhale. So breath is moving and flowing seamlessly, one breath to another and to the next. And by breathing in through your mouth, you can actually relax your throat more and take a little bit more deeper breath into your heart center, which allows you to connect to your heart and to your emotions more. And then as you exhale, just let it out effortlessly. And there's no force on that exhale, very gentle. And we also call this breath aha breath. There's a silent ah on the inhale and silent ha on exhale. So it sounds like this. And during the breath work, I encourage you to lay down so you can relax more. And when you lie on your back, you're welcome to put pillow under your knees or under your head if you need. And make sure throat is open and not crossing your legs. And it will be so beneficial for you if you can place your camera by your side so I can see you how you're breathing and I coach you, offer you more support. And lastly, I wanted to talk a little bit more about what you might experiencing during that breath work. So as energy start moving, you might feel tingling, vibrations, or some tensions in your body, softening into it and breathing into it. And you may feel a little chilly, so have some blanket nearby you. And if at any time, if you feel too much energy, you can slow down your breath. And you're welcome to breathing in and out through your nose. And if it is still too much, you can open your eyes and look around and remind yourself you're safe, you are here. And when you are ready, just come back to your breath. And if you need extra support, you can reach out your hands out towards the screen and I can send you extra love and then support energetically to hold the space for you. And in emotion, if that emotion arises, you don't have to dramatize them or suppress them, and just witness as a sign of a release, breathing into it. And see if you can allow yourself to feel and then welcome all the emotions as a pure energies. Especially those challenging ones that we tend to consider to be negative. See if you can meet them with a love and compassions, and even with appreciations and curiosity. So take a deep breath. And then again, it's a very gentle breath, no force, no pushing. Remember to listen, nurture, and then embrace all that appear to you. And I will guide you through that. And bring your intention for each sessions by asking yourself, what do I want it to release more? What do I want it to receive and integrate more in my life? And I look forward to seeing you in our next class. And if you have not, make sure to sign up for our newsletter to receive the special invitation to our next breathwork ceremony. See you then.